What's happening?
I tell you exactly what's happening.
Can you drive a rally car over a mobile phone without breaking it?
Stupid. You are stupid.
Let's find out. We've had a busy day so far
100%.
already. Man's been to his hairdresser. I've started going, look, that's a bit tidy, innit? Like, do you know what I'm saying? And across it, like, after 20 years, started going to his hairdresser,
Yes,
innit?
we're getting
What's
that.
happening, Wayne?
Nah.
From there, straight to the gym.
Always on a hustle.
Montage. And now we're on top of a windy car park.
As I said, yeah, I don't agree with what's going on. I think it's a dumb thing to do, but we are always unpredictable, and sometimes you wake up and get that idea, yo, let's try it. So let's facilitate.
Also, today we are filming a story about this Evo, because a couple of days ago he sold this car and then he unsold it very quickly.
True.
And also we'll probably mention the Chaser because we haven't said anything about the Chaser.
But that's not even clickbait. That's literally a true story.
But
This car left my possession.
That's
and
all
come
going
back.
that.
Right, there's no script. We just come out, stand there, point the camera. Look, the sun's coming down. It's about time we get going. Some stuff doing, innit? That's the God rays. I can see the God rays coming down on a bus. My father, we good. Oh, right. Talking about family situations, yeah? So girls, yeah, they be calling each other sisters. Why? Because they got the same guy, Daddy. Right, yo, stick with me, right? Come on, then, right? That was a bit funny. Do you want to know a joke, right? You got to be in on this, Dan, right?
Oh.
Knock, knock.
Who did?
Madame.
I'm reluctant. Madame who?
Got me damn foot in the door.
You catch your damn face in our boot if you keep up. It's damn stupid.
Welcome to Viking Views, innit? This is what it
Stupid.
is. Jokes, laughter and giggles constantly.
We're up here filming on our private studio and somebody just parked in our studio.
Right, so off camera, innit? I was just telling my man a story about what happened this week, yeah? But he thinks my stories need to go out to the world, innit?
You're so dumb, people need to experience it.
Right, the curry house in Cowbridge, yeah, Mughal Empire, I absolutely love it. I dip in, right, every 2-3 weeks or whatever, and I have a nice bit of curry in this. The best one in the South Hills area. I recommend it. I was just saying, once you've had your food, yeah, they bring the dessert menu over, unless you want to go for the bill. They bring a little basket over, little packet, warm towels in there. You know what I'm saying? So you open it up, clean your hands, and what I do every time I do that, I clean my watch. I give that a good clean over, and it keeps it nice and sparkly. Not me, this is an everyday occurrence, but it's mind-blowing for a minute, you know what I'm saying?
Right. Who else oh yeah, it's windy. Who else goes to a curry house to clean their watch? Leave it in the comments below.
Well, I'm there for the food first, innit? But I may as well get the full experience when I'm here. A couple of pints of Cobra. Thank you, Uncle.
I've never been anywhere they've given me an hot towel, except I don't even know.
Do you know what I'm noticing as well?
What's that?
We've parked our car on our set.
Yeah.
Now everyone is.
Oh, mate. We've got
a
a film set up here, right, that everybody is parking their cars in, right? We've chosen the empty half of the car park, right? And there's spaces up there, there's spaces down there. But no, everybody's got to park in our studio.
Do you know what? Let's go up a level.
Let's go up a level, is it? So here we are, look, we're just driving up a level because everybody keeps parking in the middle of our film studio.
Yo, I don't know who they think they are, but
Realistically, right, if you saw me and him and a rally car in a car park, would you come and park right with a camera? Would you come and park right by us?
nah, they're messing with us.
Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. This is my daily driver of a phone. Yes, I'm going to leave it in the case because I want to give it half a chance.
Okay.
You ready?
I was born ready. Boss is good to go, innit? What, I say one last time. Are you sure you want to do this?
Yeah, let's get it done. Put it there.
Sure?
Yeah. Oh. Oh. Go on. Go on. It survived. It's got a tyre tread on it, but it survived. There we are. The phone has survived.
Couple of scratch hunting. Right, come on, an iPhone thing's next time.
Right, yours next, is it?
No.
So there we are. No.
Blown my mind.
It
All of this has
didn't
blown
break.
my mind. I don't understand why we've done this in the first place.
What are we going to do next? Wait and see, innit? Might not be in this video. We'll see what happens, innit? But for now...
So yeah, we get it done, you know what I'm saying? Stay tuned, some interesting videos going to be dropping over the next week. Audi 80 Cab's going to be dropping, Evo's going to be dropping. He's just done something complete and utter bonkers, yeah? Do you know what? If he weren't such a if I didn't need him to make videos, yeah, he'd be over this building. True story. You know what I'm saying? Boss will show dominance. But yeah, there's a lot of cool videos coming through very soon. So stay tuned. Oh, 5 pence on his heads up. It might be tails up as a lucky way, but what we'll do, we'll keep that for a bit of good luck. And I'll not one for having a bit of shrapnel, but I'll put it in my pocket. When I go anywhere, I'll pop it in the charity box. Gift that keeps on giving.
And what's going on here? We got cable ties cut up on the floor in a car park. That leads me to think two possible things happen here. Either a little bit of bondage or a bit of wheel trim thievery. Do you know what I'm saying? Either way, somebody's come through.
Oh, when we come through, gal them are screaming, we love you. Groupies touch our face in the videos, I know to make our jeans undo. Heard we going back to the hotel and they asking us can we come too. Already had 4 girls this week, she's gonna make it 3+2. A lot of my life, yeah, is just keep myself entertained when he films and does bits, innit? True story. So I notice and I just get up to whatever I want to do, innit?
Right, the unthinkable has happened. People are now parking in our upper floor studio as well. We literally cannot move today without people trying to get in.
Right, people of the Gen, our film set is done. You are now allowed to park in the car park. True story. Let's go get some food.
But not yet. Not yet.
Yeah, we got some fast line imports going on. So I got a shout at my cousin bro Chancey here from Birmingham. This is the first time I'm opening one of these, yeah? I want to see what exactly they are like and what they do actually sound like. Oh, we got it all going on in here.
So remember when you were a kid and you used to have little devil bangers?
Yeah.
That's what these are. How are they packed? What are they in? What's
That's
this?
interesting. That's
They're in
different.
sawdust.
Yo, that's
They're
how
in
I
sawdust.
normally eat the little licorice things, innit? You know what I'm saying? But we do just got to
Eat
do
it.
throw it. I would just throw it, see, innit? Throw down, that's all the instructions.
Throw
say.
down?
Literally, throw down.
Right,
Yeah.
throw down. I was louder than you
Considerably
expected.
louder than what I was expecting. Yo, Chancey, yeah? I rate him, man. Let's go with that. That was considerably louder than what I was thinking.
Check it out, we in Porthcawl at the minute.
True.
Popped in for a little bit of lunch. You want to show them what we got?
Also true, mate. Jenkins, it's got to be done, innit?
Now the deal is, throughout the UK, you'll have seen Greggs the Bakers, innit? Famous for their pasty sauce rolls, all this
I
sort of
used to
thing.
like Ferraris as well back in the day.
Ferraris, yeah. There's another Welsh brand, but we got Jenkins, see? And this is something I haven't had for like 20 years myself.
Cream of the top, man.
But I got a corned beef pasty and a sausage roll, and I'm going to enjoy it to the best of my ability today.
And I went spicy chicken and a turkey and stuff and baguette, soft baguette, because man's getting older, my teeth ain't as strong as what he used to be in it.
So there we are. If you're in Porthcawl, or where's the other ones at? Port Albert.
Port Burgen, Port Albert, hit up Jenkins.
There we are. Hit up Jenkins. Tell them the Vikings sent you. They won't have a clue what he was saying. But like, that's all right, isn't it? You'll enjoy yourself. Apologies for the wind and the noise, but as work continues on Viking Views World Headquarters, you're in South Wales.
I'm excited about it, I can't wait.
Thank you for watching the video, and we say until next time.